Welcome to FRAIA Chat Education. This example you're going to look at now, you might know, for example, when you have to learn something, instead of someone tell you all the facts, or when you read a book, it tell you all the facts. But I believe one of the best teachers is where give you a little hint, and based on this this one actually guide you to try to find the right answer. And when you don't understand the answers, you can already get it clarified, get educated. But let's try to see how it works.
Great. Here's your first clue. This planet is known for its beautiful rings. Can you guess which planet it is?
Yeah, it sounds actually like Saturn's rings.
That's right. Saturn is famous for its stunning rings. Well done. Ready for another one?
I'm ready.
All right. This object in space is a giant cloud of dust and gas where new stars are born. What do you think it's called?
It sounds like a galaxy right now, but can you give me a hint more?
Sure. It's not as large as a galaxy and is often referred to as a stellar nursery because it's where stars are formed. Does that help?
Actually not. Let me think about it. It's not as big as galaxy, so it must be some fog or something. What could that be? Can you give me another hint? Because I'm not sure what we are talking about here.
No problem. Think of a colorful, cloud-like formation in space. These regions can be really beautiful and are often captured in space photos. We call them nebulae. Does that ring a bell?
Not at all. Can you explain that more in terms, this one, so I just get a little idea what it is?
Of course. A nebula is like a giant cloud in space made of gas and dust. Some nebulae are places where new stars are born, while others are the remnants of dead or dying stars. They can be very colorful and are often illuminated by the stars within or near them.
Okay.
Does that help clarify?
That's very clarified. Can you go to the next?
Awesome. Let's move on to the next clue. This force keeps planets in orbit around the sun and makes objects fall to the ground on Earth. What is it called?
Yeah, it sounds like gravity, and for sure, gravity.
Exactly. It's gravity. Gravity is what keeps everything anchored to Earth and holds the planets in their orbits around the sun. Nice job. Ready for one more?
One more, the last one.
All right, last one. This is the smallest and closest planet to the sun in our solar system. Can you guess which planet it is?
Mercury, I guess.
Spot on. It's Mercury. Well done. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the sun. Great job on all the space questions.
Thank you.
You're welcome.